Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazing. So as you must have read the title, today I will show you guys how I do my eyebrows at home. So with this whole pandemic going on, I think we should all know these little grooming hacks. So before wasting any time, let's get started. So for this we need eyebrow razor. You can find these on any online or offline store, and a pair of scissors and eyebrow pencil or a kajal pencil. Start with combing your brows. Draw an outline around your eyebrows with the help of an eyebrow pencil or a kajal pencil. This step is actually really important because this will determine the shape of your brows. So do this very carefully. Now cut long hair with scissors. Stretch upwards with your hands and tilt the razor and start shaving in the downward motion to remove the hair outside the outlined area. I'm doing it on a dry surface. You can also use aloe vera gel or moisturizer if you have sensitive skin. Similarly, do the unibrows in the sideward motion. Do this whole process very carefully and slowly, guys. You don't want to hurt yourself. Stretch downwards with your hands and again start shaving in the downward motion. Do this very carefully because you are doing this just above your eyes. Don't forget to clean the razor in between with the help of a tissue paper to remove the dead skin and hair. So after doing the whole process, make sure to wash your face, apply some good moisturizer or even a aloe vera gel to calm your skin down, and be very patient with the whole process. Do this calmly, aram se. You don't want to mess with your whole face. So guys, I hope this video was of any help. I will see you in the next video. Till then, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. What a wonderful